Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zoom AI Companion for highlight clips, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Zoom desktop application on your computer. Log in using your credentials if prompted. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Meetings tab located on the left sidebar. Choose the meeting for which you want to create highlight clips. Click on the meeting to open its details. Look for the record option at the bottom of the meeting details. Ensure that you enable recording for the meeting if it is not already enabled. Start the meeting as scheduled. When the meeting starts, the Zoom AI Companion will automatically begin analyzing the conversation. During the meeting, if there are specific moments you'd like to highlight, use the shortcut for marking highlights. Typically, this shortcut is Alt+H on Windows or Option+H on Mac. After the meeting concludes, Zoom will process the recording and the highlights. To access the highlights, go back to the Meetings tab. Select the meeting again and navigate to the Cloud Recordings section. Here, you will see your recorded meeting along with the generated highlights. Click on the highlights to review them. You can download or share these clips directly as needed. Finally, make sure to check your recording settings to ensure that highlight generation is enabled for future meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.